Time is 11:32 on Wednesday, the 26th of August, 2026, log 223. Well, I'll start off by, I actually figured out what last night I said, like, there was a weird humming. I found out what that was. So, because I have a speaker, I didn't have any music playing, right? So, but it was still turned up a bit, so this is what I was hearing. I turned it up even more just for the mic, but like it was just very low because I don't listen to it obviously at the the max volume. But I was turned up like my listening volume. I could just faintly hear it in the background, and I thought there was something going on with the computer. The computer's completely fine, which is good. Did nothing all day, feeling terrible, but decided there after dinner I was gonna try and do something, because although I've wasted literally all day, the whole day doesn't have to be a waste. And so I did do like all the photo transfer and stuff for the photo shoot I'd done. So I'm gonna do it to get that done tomorrow. Hopefully, I want to finish that. Yeah, because I need to before Sunday. So yeah. I got nothing. Times 7:34. And